Welcome to another week of Pree Dis, and this week, of course, we're coming to you guys from one of the hottest spots in St. Anne, Jamaica. I'm talking about Dolphin Cove. Yes, we're not talking about clubbing. Dolphin Cove is where it's at this week, and of course, we have the latest Pree coming to you right now. So for the next half an hour, just sit back, relax, because Pree Dis starts right now.
Jump and split and slip out her leg. Secure come but you no afraid for dead. Some gyal a pose up like a 66. You come fi broke out, gyal you live for this. The party shot connect the target. Touch a hot gyal, tell her me want it. Whole night me a stalk it. Now stop talk it and broke out and do something like this. Who no fi wine inna the road? Broke out on the line inna the road. All the treasure I wanna find in the road. Don't stop signing on the road.
Right, so you don't know, we're coming to you guys from Dolphin Cove. That's where the vibe is, of course, the vibe with Casmar. Let's talk about May Daze, because you know in the month of May, it's all about partying in Kingston, especially in May. Now, May Daze took place at West Kings House Road, right across from Truck Stop and a beer vibes. Week one, we're bringing you guys week one right here on Pree Dis. Now, taking the Pree now because I got my white rum with me. We're at the gift shop at Dolphin Cove. Find out if we can get something for one little discount. Now, Pree Dis.
Hey girl, just trigger for me, trigger for me. Wind up your body and trigger for me. Dash out the loving and trigger for me. Yeah, over your soul and me love your soul, girl. Me love your soul, girl. Hey, you feel no? That style make me shout out, oh, girl.
Alright, so we're here with one of the patrons of Appleton May Daze party. So tell me, how the vibes are party so far?
Right now the vibes of the party shot. Yeah, they're going good.
So what do you think about the whole mask thing? What do you think about it?
No, I love the mask. We get behind me personally.
How the vibes are party?
Yeah man, the party man, they turn up. I loving the girls. All of them looking like.
Hey, first time?
At May Daze?
Yeah.
This is the first May Daze for 2012, so yeah.
Can't stop wine.
It's literally out fair people. So what you have to say to anybody out there tonight will miss the party?
If you're not here, you need to be here. We're having it for four weeks, 4 days this month. Every Friday to come. Woo! Well, I'm here just cooling out after a hard week of work, just having some fun and some hype with my peeps, and it's like short and it's like good, all right?
People should literally have fun till all our shoes come off. Don't look down, don't look down.
Now talk to us about Appleton's involvement with May Daze.
Alright, well, Appleton has been involved with May Daze over the years. This year they decided that they're going to come harder, they're going to come bigger, they're going to bring the remix, and Appleton had to be aboard that because Appleton May Daze is an event that always brings energy, fun, excitement, great cocktails, and just drinking responsibly, and we always want to be a part of something like that.
Well, you know what we already know, we have to choose the best DJs to bring the sort of energy that we want, right? And for the years gone, the energy has just been on point. So, I mean, it's only right that we choose DJ Ice to be the resident. He has been here from day one, and we've always been enjoying ourselves every single May Daze. So all the other persons who come on now to compliment him, yo, the vibe just mad.
I know K-Gang go party now, but it's all about Appleton May Daze. Of course, what we're doing is the promoter of May Daze. So I want to find out now tonight, you know. At the first night, y'all kick things off. People been talking about this party. Now explain to me, how you feel tonight?
Well, it's a good look, and I mean, we never get the real turn that we are accustomed to. But nonetheless, due to a lot of different circumstances that, you know, beyond our control, you know, but I'm glad for the turnout, and I know that this is the first week, we have 4 more to go, and I only expect it to get bigger and bigger and better.
Of course, this is your 5th year, congratulations on that. Now, whereas that you guys coming with themes over the couple of weeks, now let the people get up to speed, just in case them don't know, them live on the rock and don't know the themes them be. Everybody up to speed with the themes for this year.
All right, well, this year is all about the remix. What we're doing is we're bringing back old themes, and we're kind of just giving that little different flavor. So this year, the first week, right now, we're going through mask and beats, and this year I'm a beat.
Of course, we're at Dolphin Cove, and I caught up with Georgia, who's going to be taking me around the place just to get a better vibe and a better understanding of what Dolphin Cove has to offer. Now, remember, when you are in St. Anne, you have to stop right here. Now, Georgia, talk to us. We're going on the nature trail, you said, right? What can we expect to see?
You can expect to see birds, snakes, and iguanas. You can expect to see different variety of birds. Also, we have our newest attraction, that's the bird aviary or the bird sanctuary, where you have lovebirds.
Lovebirds? That's like that's our old plane.
Yeah, man, where you can go in, get some feeding in your hand, and then the birds just fly down on you. It's very spectacular.
That sounds like fun. So we're going over there now?
Yes.
All right, good. So let's talk about talent on the rise. You know, it's all about Pree Dis still, you know. We're going to catch up with an artist, a dancehall up-and-coming artist by the name of Adeeno. He hails from Kingston 13. Now listen up to this week's talent on the rise, what he's bringing to the game and what we can expect from him. Pree Dis.
Well, Adeeno is a multifaceted artist, you know. Loving person, respectful, you know what I mean, joyful. Very, very challenging. Enough young artists can relate, you know. It's not an easy process to get your thing them out there, you know what I mean, to get people to play it, get people to listen it, you know what I mean, so it's an ongoing challenge. Well, what keeps me going is a love for it, you know what I mean, and a longingness. Well, from a tender age, you know what I mean, we grew up with musicians around me, you know what I mean, school, a lot of influences, man like reggae, you don't know, you know what I mean, big up, man like Blade. Well, my name is Dean Spencer, you know what I mean, friends call me Dean or Ply, you know what I mean. How I got the name Adeeno, it was like, when I first started, I called myself DJ Dean, you know what I mean? And I entered like this competition at 102 anniversary. I had like a DJ competition and I entered. And actually I kind of won in terms, but to cut a long story short, Richie B that run a little joke and I said, DJ, if you want to go further still, you have to change the name. Because my engineer named DJ Dean, so you have to go put something on that. Even though I joke, I make my pretty deep still. And I've been working with Extreme Cashflow Records, right? I've been doing some stuff with reggae release, you know what I mean? And some other things in the pipeline, you know? So it's about my new single, you don't know. It's the cries of the people we're talking about, you know? The daily struggle between the authorities and the people. And we just I have to express myself in a way where I seem different and the people like it and take on to it, because it's a serious topic, you know. Somebody have to say something about it, so I just feel like I'm me, so I just, you know, let it out.
All right, so what a peaceful place, man. Luckily, I have my word to go with me, you know, so I can little vibe a little bit still now. I've given it the hottest part which took place last week, and I've given it the hottest up-and-coming artist. Now it's time for us to find out what's hot around the rest of the Caribbean. It's this week Caribbean Buzz, right here on Pree Dis. Time to drink.
Inside the Caribbean Buzz for this week, the BVI Music Festival will run from May 25 to 27 at the Cane Garden Bay, Tortola. Billed to perform our Third World, Lady Saw, R&B singer Estelle, and Antigua and soca band LA Crew featuring Tizzy. Now, Miss Dominica Nadira Lando was recently crowned Miss Caribbean World 2012. She beat out 17 other contestants from the Caribbean. In second place was Miss BVI, Miss St. Lucia placed third, Miss Aruba finished fourth, and Miss Curacao placed 5. The 10th Annual International Soca Awards is set to unfold on June 29. Among the top nominees this year are Michelle Montano, Faye Ann Lyons, Corinne Dubois, Farmer Nappy, JW and Blaze Destra, Edwin Yearwood, Patrice Roberts, Nadia Batson, and Alison Hines, among others. And the Sparkles and KK out of Tobago have released a reggae single called Thinking About You. The single was produced by Mills Beat Entertainment. That's the Caribbean Buzz for this week. My name is Kevin Jackson.
Your vibes can't done at Dolphin Cove, and I can't wait to get into the water. But of course, we're going to take our first commercial break. You don't want to go anywhere, no? You don't want to move. So stick on right here and Pree Dis. We're soon forward.